I'm going to make a robotic fish that can swim around for me, and hopefully we can get some big ones. Firstly, I need a motor. I just use that for my milk frother. And a propeller to stick to it. But first, we need to make a propeller. Now, it's time for the batteries. We're going to be arranging the batteries like this. Now let's add the hook holders. I said I'd do it like this, but a shape like this would make it get stuck in the rudder less. Paired with no head would make it way more aerodynamic and easy to manipulate its movements in the water. This way is just way more dynamic through the water and gives me way more control on what direction I want the fish to be motoring around in the water. As much as I love the idea of just turning this thing on and setting it free in the ocean, I think we're going to have to add some switches to turn it off and on. It kept on getting all jammed up, so I had to secure it in place so that wouldn't happen while I'm catching the big boys. If you've made it this far in the video, you should probably consider subscribing. You, personally. After some final wiring, without further ado, we are done. Primitive technology. We're in the new age now. Get out of here. She's ready. Let's go fishing. The only problem is, the biggest fish in that canal is a dog shark, and they are not even a fish. I don't know, maybe they are, and you can't really catch them. Other than that, there's just salmon, and basically nothing's going to go for this thing, it's too big. Subscribe if you like fish.